loves. Hey loves. So today I'm playing Roblox. It's been so long since I played it. I'm so crazy. It's been so freaking long. I'm playing Beauty High School, Royal Enchantress High School. It's been so freaking long. Well, let's get a dorm, duh. And this, I just got at the wrong place. Oops. Darn it. It was at the prom date, but when I was joining, the prom already started without me. Wait, is this it? Yeah, I think this is it. It's been so long since I played it. I'm looking for the nearest place. Oops, I don't know. I'm so scared. Alright. This is awkward. Awkward. What? Really? I am so... What's wrong with him? I'm a little Dee. Well, that is pretty weird if I say so myself. Oh my god. Hey. Hi. Oh my god, why am I making this? If you watch this, I'm looking for a friend. Me too. Can we be friends? It's been so long since I played Roblox again. I'm Ruby. Not really my real name! Wanna be roomies? Oh, and why you asked that, there was a boy, right? Nope, he just... No. Yeah, claim the dorm. It's nighttime. Billy. love Valentine. Too bad I missed it. I'm a little ODD. Okay, I'ma go to my bedroom, okay? Alright, where is it? What is this? Dude, where is the... Wait, what is it again? Oh, animation. Where's the animation? And what is this? Ooh, let's edit over here. I have no idea what I just did. Where is the animation? Oh my god, I forgot. It was still good, but now there's no animation. Nope. Why did I keep going there? You heard that? Ooh, girl. I'm a little ODD. Okay, that will be it for all because I'm too lazy to do anything. Stalking my bio. Oop. This is pretty good, to be honest. Alright, bye.